Trained dogs don't lunge. 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 They don't lunge. Trained dogs don't lunge. She said hers don't lunge. Out for a bike ride, when dogs I did spy, 2 leashes tied. Holy crap, just riding back on the street. Holy crap, pack of dogs on leashes meet. Holy crap, 4 or 5 dogs did just fine. 1 dog sure lunged. Trained dogs don't lunge. They don't lunge. Trained dogs don't lunge. Dog bolted, then lunged. Riding in the street, safe, free, and trained dogs I meet. Trained dogs I meet. Holy crap, leash was held loosely in hand. Holy crap, my life flashed before my eyes. Holy crap, claimed a dog's train caught in lie. That dog sure lunged. Trained dogs don't lunge. They don't lunge. Trained dogs don't lunge. To her belt, leash should tie. Her dog does lunge. Trained dogs don't lunge. 2 belts should tie. So safe can ride. Trained dogs don't lunge. Pay attention.